Y'all ready for this? CX Racing. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Okay. Can't wait to install this in like 4 months. Okay guys, so as you guys seen from probably one of my previous videos, not sure which one, but I got a Vortec V3 supercharger, and if you guys haven't seen how I got the supercharger, it's actually a really cool deal I got on it, so go ahead and check that video out. Oh, that'll be one of my previous videos. Alright, you know what, I'll link it in the description because I feel like it's kind of nice today. But anyways, I need an intercooler. Well, I got an intercooler with the kit, but it was a really small one. I kind of wanted a bigger one, a bigger, thicker one. So I went ahead and got this one. It's from CX Racing. It's basically a full kit. So today is an unboxing video where basically I go through the whole kit and go piece by piece explaining to you guys what it is. It won't be a detailed explanation, but it'll be a small explanation. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. You know, something all of us car guys want to do to our car is supercharge it and, you know, be faster than our friends.
Or turbo.
Supercharger is better. Turbo. Oh, quick, since we're talking about superchargers, I can give you guys a quick little tip. If you are going boost, and if you can afford something that's not a centrifugal, don't get a centrifugal. The reason why I say this is because a centrifugal is basically a supercharger and a turbo put together. And what that does is you get the downside of a turbo, which is lag, and the downside of a supercharger, which is taking about 50 horsepower just for a supercharger and putting it together in one system. But if you get it for cheap, go for it.
Not as much lag as a turbo though.
True, not as much lag as a turbo. Oh, Ace is behind the camera. Quick shout out to the boy Ace. So I haven't opened this yet, so I'm kind of pretty excited. I guess we'll start off with simple stuff. We've got these are just all the hose clamps, or piping clamps.
They're hose clamps.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are all the clamps for all the piping. We're going to set it off this side. These little black things will also go on for the piping, so you don't have any leaks and stuff, because leak is kind of bad. Oh shit! This is a piece of cardboard. Basically, this is gonna go on top of the blower for extra cooling. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. So now we got a lot of I forgot what it is. A lot of piping. Basically, all this piping will lead. Will lead from the throttle body down to the intercooler to the blower. I will be making an installation video, so you guys can check that out. Most of my installation videos have been just quick, easy, and stuff. But yeah, this one I will go a little bit more into detail on it for whenever that video comes out, or whenever we get the install. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen already, but I did get into an accident in the Mustang, so it might be some time until this actually goes on the car, or if it goes on the car. So I'm gonna get. I don't want to open all of them, but I'll go ahead and open one of them so you guys can see how the piping is gonna go. Oh, cool! I opened a selected choice. Oh shit! Edit this out. So here is one of the pipes. This one actually will go up towards the motor. I believe this one is actually where the throttle body connects. I could be wrong. Well, this little thing right here is actually where the blow-off valve will connect to. It did come with the blow-off valve. I'll open that whenever we get to that. So here, this is basically what the piping is gonna look like. I couldn't find it, but I actually have gold heat tape. Shout out to my boy Ace. Instagram's right here. Yeah, but he gave me some gold heat tape, so I will be wrapping all this in gold heat tape. It's gonna look pretty sick. I want to do purple, but I can't find purple anywhere. But gold is pretty good too, because as you guys know, the Niners red and gold. But okay, next is just these are all brackets. This is all for mounting the intercooler itself. So yeah, very simple thing. Okay, so next is this box. I have no idea what it is. Let's find out. Okay, so this actually comes with the kit. It's pretty cool. This is a oil cooler. That's what this hose is for. Basically, you would connect the hose right here, and then you would tap your oil pan somewhere. So for oil, you can run a little bit more oil. I believe my car runs close to 7 quarts. So obviously I'll be probably what 7.4,
7.4, 7.5.
7.4, 7.5. I'll say this is about less than half a quart, maybe about half a quart, but really good. Obviously these cars don't really need it. If you have a oil burning engine like a VQ35, then you probably need this. But for my car, I don't really need this. I'm not sure if I'm going to install this, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is an oil cooler.
Actually, a really small oil cooler, dude.
I know, dude, what the fuck?
Tiny.
I thought it was gonna be bigger than I expected.
You see my oil cooler, right?
Oh, yours huge. Okay, so next, yes, this is the blow-off valve. I would love this because it is purple. I'm a huge Kings fan, as you can see. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be making the playoffs this year. Kind of broke my heart, but hey, we're improving. Anyway, so yeah, we'll go ahead and grab that pipe. Here it is. So basically, this pipe, this will, a little rough image so you guys can kind of understand how it goes, but yeah, that'll connect there. And yeah, this thing sounds really cool. They will give you a code for some mass airflow sensor failure thing, something like that. But other than that, that's it. This is all basically just hardware for the blow-off valve itself. So we're going to close this, set it right over here. So, next up is a sticker, CX Racing. Probably not gonna rock it because I don't like rocking stickers in my car. So, this is the intercooler itself. I lost my knife. Okay, so, like I was saying, this is the intercooler itself. It's a nice big one. I was reading, asked a lot of people what type of intercoolers they got. A lot of people went with Treadstone. So might be thinking about switching to Treadstone later, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and rock this one. So if I can get the box open, but there it is, huge intercooler. And then this is just more for mounting and stuff, mounting the intercooler and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the intercooler itself. Let's go ahead and take this little piece of plastic off. Okay, so I'm not gonna take the plastic off all the way because obviously I don't want debris and stuff getting in here. I just took it off halfway for you guys to see it. But basically, piping will connect to one side, then the other side the piping will come out. So basically, it'll be like throttle body, a bunch of piping down to the intercooler, and then more piping from this side out connecting into the blower. So there you guys have it. I believe that's everything. I don't know which one it is exactly, but this kit also comes with a little bit of spacers. So that black metal piece in the front of the car.
The frame, the bash bar.
The frame bash bar thingy. Yeah. Sorry, my terms are kind of off today. But this includes a kit that it basically gives you a spacer. So this thing can sit behind that thing, and you have plenty of space to run both those things. Obviously, after my recent accident, it's kind of smart to run those. They can save some parts of the car. So that's basically it. This is the intercooler I'll be running. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Yeah.